What if staying top of mind with your clients didn't actually require constant check-ins, newsletters, or guesswork? Introducing OneHomeowner, a smart, easy-to-use platform that helps you stay connected with your clients long after the transaction closes. It's designed to keep you visible, relevant, and valuable throughout the entire homeownership journey. Here's how it works. Each of your clients gets their own personalized home hub, a secure, branded portal where they can manage everything related to their home. And every time they log in, they see your name, your photo, and your contact info, reminding them who helped them buy their home and, of course, who they'll want to call when it's time to sell. For your clients, the hub becomes a go-to resource, packed with tools that help them stay organized, save money, and build long-term wealth through homeownership. And one of the first things they'll see is the Manage Home section, which is where they'll find a smart to-do list, helping them stay on top of home maintenance. It reminds them of tasks, like reviewing their homeowner's insurance and their home equity, things that are easy to forget but important to keep up with. They can also log repairs, help you find inspectors, and even access a list of service providers that you've personally recommended, which is a great way to share your trusted network and continue being a helpful resource even long after closing day. Next, there's the Save Money section. And this is where your clients can get a clearer picture of their mortgage. They can see how much they're paying in interest versus principal, explore what happens if they make extra payments, and even check if refinancing could save them money. It's a powerful way to help them make smarter financial decisions, and they'll remember who gave them the tool to do it. Then there's the Build Wealth section, and this part helps homeowners understand the value of their investment. They'll see an estimate of their home's current value, how much equity they built, and what kind of return they might expect from certain home improvements. It's a great way of helping them think long-term and see their home not just as a place to live, but as a real financial asset. And finally, there's the My Home section, where clients can upload important documents like insurance policies, warranties, receipts, and even their seller's disclosure. They can also complete a full home inventory, including photos and serial numbers for appliances and any other in-home systems. And because everything is stored securely in the cloud, if anything ever happens to their home, they still have access to everything they need, which is especially helpful for first-time homeowners who may not know what to keep track of or where to store it. And here's the best part. All of this is branded to you, the agent. Every OneHomeowner portal, every email, and after every login, your name is always front and center. Even better, you'll receive alerts when your clients take certain actions that may signal they're preparing to transact again, like exploring refinance options or clicking Sell My Home. And with these insights, you now have the perfect reason to reach out at just the right time. Now, on your side of OneHomeowner, the agent dashboard gives you a clear view of your client activity, including how many hubs have been created, how often they're being used, and even get a sense of potential income from your database. You'll also see which clients are engaging with their hubs, so you know who to follow up with and when. And here's where it gets even smarter. The My Opportunities section tracks your client's activity and alerts you when they take actions that could signal they're ready to make a move, like displaying a contact's propensity to sell based on a variety of key metrics. It's a simple, powerful way to spot potential business without having to guess or dig for it. And setting up OneHomeowner is simple. Just select the OneHomeowner panel on your Matrix or Clarity dashboard for instant access. Your account activation is completely free. And once logged in, you can invite clients one at a time or multiple contacts at once, up to 200 per day. You'll also want to set up your profile with a photo, logo, and social links, and add your favorite local vendors so your clients can benefit from your trusted network. And again, OneHomeowner is free to use, but there's also a professional version with enhanced analytics and engagement tools, which you can fully unlock by creating 100 active hubs, inviting loan officers, or subscribing directly. To get started, just select the OneHomeowner panel on your dashboard. And if you have any questions or need support, reach out to your board for more information. OneHomeowner helps you stay top of mind, deliver lasting value, and build a business that lasts. one homeowner at a time.